Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send package using Gofo Express. So first up, you're going to have to go to gofoexpress.com. Once you do that, you have to click the send button as you can see on the top here. Once you click that, it will send you to another page to schedule a pickup. A notice will pop up here, noting the pickup appointment process. Notice the daily cutoff time as the system conducts a daily order review at 8 a.m., processing orders placed within the 24-hour window from the previous day's 8 a.m. to the current day's 8 a.m. When 10 or more orders are received at the same warehouse, the system will automatically schedule the same pickup day. For fewer than 10 orders, drop off your shipments at the designated locations. Customers will receive a pickup confirmation SMS by 10 a.m. on pickup day. And if you haven't received a confirmation text by 10 a.m., you can contact their support, as you can see these emails right here, and even their phone number. Once you're ready to send your package, you will need to key in your particulars such as your first name, last name, your phone number, street address, and many more. You can even put notes for your driver when they're here to pick up your package. Once you do that, you just have to click submit. You will just need to wait for the SMS notification from Gofo Express that your package has been picked up. And once you have your tracking ID, you can input it here and click on track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.